Welcome to a Drama Studio tutorial video. The manuscript page. The manuscript page is where you can edit and get overview of the dialogue of your stage plays. You can create roles by typing in a name in the appropriate box and clicking the Create Role button. There is no limit to how many roles you can create. You can edit the name of the role by clicking the pencil icon next to the role's name. By clicking the Enter Stage icon, you can control when an actor enters the stage. The door with the arrow indicates from what side the actor will enter. Clicking the New Line button will put your cursor in the input field and type the role name for you. You can now input whatever you would like the role to say. You don't have to use the New Line button. Typing the name of the role, followed by a colon, has the same effect. You can edit existing lines by clicking on the speech bubbles. The order of the lines can be altered by clicking the actor thumbnail and dragging and dropping it in a new location. This is also true for enter stage actions. Changing the order of events in the manuscript also has implications for the order and timing of events not seen from the manuscript screen. Once you start directing, it is advisable to limit reordering events to the direction screen. You can edit the manuscript name by clicking the pencil icon next to it. The bin icons are used to delete the enter stage actions, lines, and actors. You can always undo your changes by pressing Ctrl-Z on your keyboard, or by pressing the Undo button, located in the top menu bar. If you want to learn more about the other screens and features of Drama Studio, be sure to check out our other videos.